Koala Software. Good night, Laura. What is your method?
I would say the main method. It's easy, open, or it's my workflows are at the most involved. I like the market approach. The not at the moment and similar fast transfer. Os companies that they know at the at the companies. I like the first approach. They can approach the value, the right, from, triangle, and triangle, accent.
Okay, thank you. Gina, what is your method? Gina, no estoy escuchando.
The model dot corresponde is React option method calculates if the Black-Scholes model. What if the Black-Scholes model is of the most index of model dot determina the price of financiera option. This model considera that the price of the bundles as follow proceso that is sujeto is statistical analysis and that there is free right volatilidad are constante over time. I present a formula of these two determinants the value of the present chart cut option. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Edison, good night. What is your method?
Good night. Coach approach method. Coach approach strategy unit in benefices instead of the cost. Associate with achieving innovation. That is, we can start from already. 16 and modify in reducing reach cost. At the same time, it is over the production times and current cost and absorption to carry into innovation. Advantage of method, the mindset the part of the cost approach at the time of estimation on expenses derived with the investigation can be minimized for works with a really existing technology. The expenses derived from the productivity factor can eliminate. I also evaluate the development and the importance of technology. And finally, Genius is advantage with fit machines part. Thanks.
Thanks. Good night, Karet. What is your method?
Good night. My name is Karet. Roche method allows to determine the value of the asset based on their place of similars based on public available assets. The formula that applies is physical asset per time place 1 per node asset per time. My purpose is 100 millions. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. My method is the decision tree. If you want to determine which project is most profitable, you can use a decision tree to analyze the possible outcomes of each project and choose the project that is most likely to generate the most profits. Start your diagram with a main idea or decision that you'll represent with a decision node, and then add individual ramifications with the different decisions you need to choose from. After you add your main idea to the tree, continue adding opportunity or decision nodes after each decision to further expand your tree. Once you have completed your tree, you can start analyzing each of the decisions. Ideally, your diagram should include quantitative data. The data most often used in decision trees are monetary values. Once you have the expected results for each decision, determine which is the best plan of action for you based on the risk you are willing to take. Thank you. Continue. Laura, your vote is for?
My vote is for
Thank you. Gina, your vote is for?
My vote is for decision to make. Victor.
Okay, thank you. Enson, your vote is for?
I choose the method decision trees.
Okay, Courage, your vote is for?
Decision trees.
Okay, my vote is decision tree. Five votes for my decision tree. This method, decision tree. Okay. Good night, everyone.
Good night.